Donald Trump is making everyone rich on YouTube. If you know what to do with this information. And that's what we're going to talk about. Because have you considered what's happening on YouTube now? Everybody's blowing up. Everybody's getting 1,000 views, 10,000 views, 5,000 views. But Donald Trump is making everyone rich on YouTube just because of the stuff that he's doing. This is not going to be a video that's going to tell you 1, 2, 3. These are the steps. No, you know the steps. You see all the steps that you can do to grow your YouTube channel just by using what's happening in the news. Because let's be real. Everybody want to hear what's going on in the news. Everybody wants to find out how can they get rich. And I'm telling you, Donald Trump is making everyone rich on YouTube, because if you understand how the YouTube system works, not only can you grow your channel, you can get monetized quickly. Not only get monetized quickly, when you get monetized, you can explode the monetization and make thousands and thousands of dollars just by talking about the news and Donald Trump. Let's get into it, because this is going to be a conversation. Let's just talk about it. Let's just talk about what you can do. Because let's be real. Let me make myself very, very clear. Just like Bernie Sanders. Let me make myself very, very clear. When you get on YouTube, you're talking about things you want to talk about, things you should talk about, and things you have to talk about. I'm talking about the things you have to talk about if you want your YouTube channel to grow. You're going to talk about the news. What's happening in the news now that everybody's talking about? Oh, Donald Trump with the tariffs. Donald Trump with the executive orders. Donald Trump this. Donald Trump that. And everybody's gravitating toward that video that's talking about what he's doing in the news today. You even talk about what he's doing in the news today. Like him or not, you're talking about what he has already done. Today, he signed some more executive orders. You could do some videos about Donald Trump. He did some executive orders today and talk about it. You have all the content that you need for the next 4 years. You're going to have content. Why are you going to have content? Because he's going to say something or do something that you can just talk about on YouTube. Put up your camera. Just make a topic up and talk about it. But I don't know what to say. You don't need to know what to say. He's going to give you the content to talk about. Like, for instance, oh, he did an executive order. He's going to charge 25% tariffs for Canada, 25% tariffs for Mexico, and you talk about it. You can go on YouTube right now, talk and type the name in Trump, and you're going to see all these things pop up, all these different titles, all these different topics. And most of them was released in the past couple of days. And look how many videos and views in those videos that pop up. You're going to see some with 10,000 views. You're going to see some with 5,000. You might even see some with 1,500 views. Why? Because people are gravitating toward the news. They're gravitating to what this man is doing. You might not like him. You might not care for his politics or his policies, but people on YouTube is searching, trying to discover, oh, what can I do to grow my channel? Talk about what people are talking about. People are searching in the YouTube Google, and I say YouTube Google because Google owns YouTube. YouTube search engine, and they're trying to figure out, oh, what can I talk about to grow my channel? Type in TRU, and by the time you get to the M, all these things pop up. Trump tariffs, that pops up. Trump immigration, that pops up. Trump executive order, that pops up. All of that is content that you could talk about. But let's not even go to the Google search engine. Let's just go on the news. You can turn on any news station, any time of the day. You're going to see Trump said so-and-so. Trump signs an executive order. Trump has done the immigration policies in effect. Trump this, Trump that. Just pick one of them. Just pick one of them. Or if you say that might be old news, because they talking about that for the past week. Okay. I got something for you. You think you're smart? Go on the news right now. What are they talking about right now? Right now, they're talking about, oh, they closed the U.S. aid. Yeah, they closed the U.S. aid. Why they close the U.S. aid? I don't know. But why they close it? They talking about it now. Get the information and make a video about that. Trump closes the U.S. aid that helps the people all over the world. Helping them with food, helping them with shelter, helping them with whatever the case they do. They helping people. But he closed it. He shut it down. Why did he shut it down? That's for you to find out. And make a video about it. Make a 10-minute video about it. All you got to do is read about it, what they do, why they do it, then why did he shut it down? Talk about it. Post a video. Make sure you use the keywords Trump, USAID, shut down, and whatever else you want to put with it. But make sure you use the keywords Trump, USAID, shut down, or whatever else you want to use with it. Why I'm saying that? Because it's not just about posting the videos. It's not about just putting titles up there to see what sticks. You got to put keywords with it. The keyword here is Trump, USA, shut down, and whatever else you want to put with it to make it stand out. That's what I'm talking about. Trump is making everyone rich on YouTube, but you have to know how to utilize these videos so you can either get monetized or make money if you're monetized. Talk about the news. Talk about him. Because he's the hottest thing on YouTube right now. Like I said, go to YouTube right now. You're going to see everything about Trump, 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 Trump. Trump policies, Trump immigration, Trump shut everything down. Trump is this and Trump is that. The next thing you're going to talk about, they're talking about the Social Security. He's going to shut down the Social Security and all this stuff. Talk about that. How many people who are on Social Security that's on YouTube? I don't know, but there's a lot of people. There's over 2 billion people that come on YouTube every day. Can't you get a half a percent of people that come on YouTube to hear what you got to say? And think about it. If you just get one video with 10,000 people watching the video, 5,000 people watching the video, and you're monetized, will that help you? So you get $500 from people watching that video. Is that good? Just because you're talking about the news, everybody talk about the news, but you putting your own little twist on it? Like I'm putting my own little twist on this video right here. We just having a conversation. I put my own little twist on this video right here. I'm talking to you about how to grow your YouTube channel because Donald Trump is making everyone rich, and I want you to get rich also. I want you to get rich also. I'm going to take advantage of this, and you should take advantage of this. Why? Because if he's making everyone rich, I want you to be included in that everyone. We just having a conversation here. If you lasted this long, almost 8 minutes into the video, it's something that you want to know. So what I want you to do, look at the news or listen to the news and watch the news and find out what's happening now. What's going on that you can utilize and make a video about. It's easy. Just like you're trying to come up with ideas for videos, he's creating content every day. He giving you things to talk about in your videos. He giving you things and strategies to talk about. Just like what he's doing today. He already said he's going to lift those tariffs from Mexico for 30 days. He's going to lift the tariffs for 30 days so they can work something out. Why is he trying to work something out if he said he's just going to make those tariffs for them for charge on 25%? Is it a strategy? Is it something that he's doing just to get them scared so they can bow to whatever he wants them to do? I don't know, but that's what you could put in the video. That's what you can talk about. Some people might not even talk about that. They just want to talk about some stuff to get you scared. They want to get you riled up. They want to get you so excited that you are scared to even create a video. Because you're thinking about, man, I got to pay 25% more on this food. I got to pay 25% more in gas. I got to do this and do that. Just like you thinking like that, put that in the video. Put it in the video for those people that's watching and say, I want to get more information on those tariffs. Put it in your video. Because the way YouTube is going now, YouTube is taking over the world. Yeah, we got Netflix with movies. YouTube is putting movies on the platform. They already have movies, but they're putting movies on the platform. Oh, there's people talking about the sports. YouTube is taking over sports too. They're putting sports, NFL, on a YouTube channel. They're putting the NBA on a YouTube channel. They already had soccer on there. But just like all these other platforms, YouTube is going to put all of that on YouTube and swallow up all those other things, those other platforms. Why? Because YouTube is growing and Donald Trump is making everyone rich on YouTube. Why? Because he's saying so much stuff that you can have endless content to make videos, endless content to put your own spin on those videos, endless content, because he's just throwing stuff at the wall to see if it sticks. He's just throwing stuff at the wall to see if it sticks. So I want you to understand that if Donald Trump is making everyone rich, I want you to be included in the everyone. Even if you're not monetized yet. You make a video and the video gets enough views, you can get monetized with that video. 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. You can get monetized with one video if you do it the right way, the correct way. It might take you 5 videos. It might take you 10 videos. But talk about what people are talking about. They're talking about Donald Trump. So if they're talking about Donald Trump, he's giving you the content. Use that content to make content. Take advantage of this. Take advantage of what's being presented to you. It's not that hard for you to create that content, because the content is waiting for you to take hold of it and say, this is my spin on it. I want to make this content. I want my videos to talk about what he's talking about, and what you're thinking about, scared to say. I'm going to give you my opinion and say what you're scared to say. Donald Trump is making everyone rich. I want you to be included in that everyone. Because this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. I want you to leave in the comment section where you at in your YouTube creator's journey. Are you a beginner? Have you just started YouTube? Have you been here for a while? You got almost 1,000 subscribers or 500 subscribers and you growing your channel? Or you've been here longer than me. You got over 10,000 subscribers. I don't know. Type in the comment section. Let me know where you at. Because we just had a conversation about Donald Trump is making everyone rich. And I want you to be included in everyone. I know I'm included. That's why I made this video. So like I tell everybody, this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time, because at My Time Community, we help everyone grow their channel as they grow their life. And if you grow your life, your channel has no excuse not to grow. So until the next video, God bless.